So I mean, you know, there's heaps of really awesome stuff in this workshop to look at, but let's start right here and work our way around. I mean, tell me, what's the deal with this S15 and how much power does it make? How fast does it go?
Time Attack S15. Charles Warland, owner from Dream Garage. Been a customer for many years. He was wanting to build a Time Attack car. We had a discussion about who to go and talk to. Yeah, we ended up, after all the preliminary kind of aero designs and packaging came together, the car came here with just a shell. So caged, all the fab work had been done, came here, and yeah, we basically assembled the whole car just before 2019 World Time Attack.
Nice, and I mean, obviously it's got all that Time Attack typical stuff like the massive front aero, side aero. I'm guessing there's aero underneath.
Yeah, no, open floor,
okay.
So it's open class car.
Yep.
So yeah, so no center aero, just like bigger side skirts.
Yep.
And yeah, big front bar, big rear wing. Yeah, billet motor. We're about just on the 900 horsepower at the moment.
I mean, obviously a lot of people with these go to like a 6-cylinder, like an RB or something like that. You've stuck with SR. I mean, is it still a 2 litre or is it a stroker?
2.2.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's 2.2, billet bottom end. Yeah, VVL head.
Yep.
With the EFR 9180, I think it is, the turbo.
Yep, nice CPC manifold.
CPC manifold, dry sumped, full PWR cooling package. Really helpful when they're local.
Yeah. I mean, as far as you know, Time Attack and setup and that sort of things go, I mean, you raced in 2019. How'd you go then?
Third. We came third in class. So yeah, in open class for first event, first kind of minimal shakedown. Yeah, did pretty well really for a brand new build.
And Sydney Motorsport Park's, like, you'd probably say it's a fairly unforgiving track with like the massive high-speed turn one.
Yes. Yeah.
I think my favourite part here is definitely the exhaust out the side there.
Yep.
It looks fairly offensive.
It's Time Attack. It can be.